Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Earth's Medicine. So in today's video, we are going to be sharing how to make neem water and the benefits that you can get from neem water. So keep watching. We're going to start right now. Okay guys, so neem water is basically an extract that is made by infusing the leaves of a neem tree, which is this tree that you're looking at right now, into water. Scientifically, the neem tree is known as Azadirachta indica, and it is a tree that originated from the Indian subcontinent and from some of the countries that are found in Africa, but it has been naturalized here in Jamaica and in other tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Now, neem has a lot of good medicinal properties, and for eons people from Asia and Africa have been using different parts of the neem tree in their traditional medicine to treat a lot of maladies, including skin diseases, dental problems, and much more. Neem has a very bitter taste though, and not everyone can handle it. And so this is just another way in which one can reap some of the benefits of neem leaves without having to consume them. Bathing in neem infused water is a common practice in Ayurveda, which is a natural system of medicine that originated from out of India. So this is a common practice, especially when the season changes, and it is said to help one to maintain a good immune system during the change of seasons, because during that time people tend to catch the cold or the flu. So neem water has natural antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties, which can help to get rid of things like blackheads, pimples, and acne scars. It is also good for things like skin irritations and heat rashes. And it can also be used to treat skin conditions, like chicken pox, psoriasis, and eczema, for example. And it can prevent skin infections, and it will help to make your skin glow. It's good for eye irritations, eye tiredness, and redness. It can strengthen your hair and help to prevent it from falling out. And it can help to reduce the symptoms of dandruff. It can kill bacteria inside the mouth, make the teeth whiter, and keep off bad breath. And it can help to reduce body odor as well. So to make your neem water, you're going to need about a handful of neem leaves and about 1 liter of water. If you wish to, you can use the neem twigs and the leaves instead of the leaves alone. But I am going to be using just the neem leaves in my demo. So the first thing that you're going to do is to remove the neem leaves from the twigs. Then you're going to wash them properly. And add the leaves along with the water to a pot. And turn on the heat. Then cover the pot and then allow it to boil until the water turns green. Then you are going to turn off the flame. Allow it to cool. And then you're going to strain it. Guys, if you're finding value in this video so far, please drop a like, comment, and share this video so that others can benefit from the information. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. If you like what you see and you would like to see more content like this in the future, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications right now so that you do not miss our future uploads. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's get right back to the video. So guys, there are different ways in which you can use neem water. For example, you can use it topically as a cleanser, and all you have to do is put some on a cleanser pad, or you can put it on a piece of cotton ball and just apply it to your face and neck regularly. You can store the extra neem water into a jar and keep it into the refrigerator for up to a week. For skin conditions like chicken pox, etc., you can pour the neem water on yourself at least once a day. Then you can make a leaf paste by grinding the leaves into a paste and just applying it directly on the skin to promote healing of the skin. For dandruff, etc., you can wash your hair with shampoo and then cleanse your hair with neem water, and you can also massage the neem water into your scalp. For eye irritations, eye tiredness, and redness, you can use the neem water to wash your eyes. To kill bacteria in your mouth, make your teeth whiter, and to keep off bad breath, all you need to do is just gargle regularly with neem water. And to reduce a bad body odor, all you need to do is just bathe in neem water. Although neem water is considered safe for use, you can still be allergic to it. So if you plan to use it for the first time, it is recommended that you do a patch test before you use it. So you can put a little of the water on your skin and you can put it on your inner forearm and wait 24 hours and see if you have any allergic reactions to it, like itching or redness of the skin. And if you notice any of these things, then just simply desist from using it. Medical disclaimer. The information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.